Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Online Business Entrepreneur. Do you want to make easy paper money or free paper money by entering just a CAPTCHA, just a Google CAPTCHA, guys? Just entering a Google CAPTCHA to make a free paper money. That's why I upload this video, guys. In this video, we're gonna see how to make money with CAPTCHA entry. It's available worldwide. It's easy money, easiest way to make money, guys, and it's also free paper money. Watch the video till end for full explanation, guys. It's the easiest way to make money, and with just by entering the CAPTCHA. Just enter the CAPTCHA, guys. I'm not kidding. Just enter the CAPTCHA. It's a new method also. I found this website early morning and I upload for you guys, and I'm happy to show you this website, guys. Before that, I like to invite to my channel to subscribe my channel and leave a like and comment, share with your friends, and comment below how I doing my work. Please, guys, I need a feedback to improve my quality or anything else. Sorry for my accent. Okay, guys, let's dive into video. This website is called captchaclub.com. You just type a captchaclub.com, or I put a link down below in the description. It's just easiest and legitimate CAPTCHA typing job, guys. It's available worldwide, guys. It don't matter where you're from, where you're here. It's available worldwide, guys. People are making good amount of money with this CAPTCHA club. It's just entering the CAPTCHA. Do you see the CEO of the CAPTCHA club is talking about how's the CAPTCHA club work, but I pause this because some copyright issue, guys. Just scroll down how it's work. It's 100% automatic system. Excuse me. CAPTCHA clubs is 100% automatic system, fast and time saving auto calculation. This website excuse me, this website allows you 3 packages called standard, premium, or somewhere is 100% automatic payment guarantee. This company give payment guarantee. It's a good way to, it's a legitimate company to make money online, guys. It's the 3 packages: standard, premium, premium plus. First you get a standard. You get $90 for monthly, guys. You get 0.03 per CAPTCHA code. Minimum withdrawal 100% free account. 100 CAPTCHA code per day, $90. I recommended to make this amount of money with the CAPTCHA free account. You get a unlimited monthly. Just buy this, guys. You earn $0.1 per CAPTCHA, unlimited, guys. It's a lots of big name company are worked for this CAPTCHA club, guys. Cloudflare, Norton Secured, Commode, Alexa, many more company, or DOS Protected, many more company. I just show you, guys. I also worked here, and I just show how's the dashboard look like, guys. Just you need register. Click a register button and you get a register page, guys. Just username, email, password, and select your country. Lots of countries available, guys. So I think all of the country, it's available worldwide, guys. Where you're from, it doesn't matter. Click the check mark and submit. Let's dive into the dashboard, how it's look and how to make money, guys. Is this the dashboard look like, guys? It's the dashboard for me. I worked here many times, guys. I made $1. I just work I think 15 minutes or 10 minutes. I made $1, guys. It's easy money. Just I check 52 CAPTCHAs. Just 52 CAPTCHAs. I make $1.5, guys. You make lots more money with this. Just $100, $3 per day. You make more. You get $900. You buy unlimited premium plus version. You make a good amount of money. It's a full-time income with this CAPTCHA Club, guys. Just I show you example how to make a CAPTCHA. Just click earn money and it's come. Click CAPTCHA BER6E. Just enter. My CAPTCHA is correct, guys, and I get some little more PT cash. Just check how someone $0.03 they told. Yes, guys, I get 1.56, I think. Now I had 1.59. Today I one correct, one wrong entry. The wrong entry also, the 100 threshold is minus, guys. Every day you only capture 100, guys. If you wrong, you minus the from the 100, guys. Okay, how to withdraw? Let's check the withdrawal amount. You just get at least $100, guys. Minimum withdraw account $100, but I don't have that amount of money. I just have only $1.59. You can make lot amount of with this account, guys. If you need to upgrade this account, this profile, click upgrade. Just wait for a second. You get a price for this, guys. It's a free standard $100 premium, $200 premium plus. Just 2 months of work, you get a premium plus, guys. Just make a captcha again and again. You get enough money to buy this premium plus package. Just click the buy this premium plus package. The payment withdrawal option are right here, guys. Payza, PayPal, Payoneer. 3 big companies are available to withdraw cash from CAPTCHA Club. It's easy way method to, guys. If you get a premium plus, you get $0.1, guys. $0.1 unlimited captcha. You can put potential earning for a month $90 standard, and premium $450, and premium plus unlimited. You can make lots of money with the premium plus, guys. Just enter the captcha and again as much as you can and upgrade to premium plus. That's my recommendation for you, guys. Just upgrade to premium plus and make lots of money, guys. You get at least a minimum withdraw, and you get withdraw for your money and make pay bills or get a dress or buy a phone or buy a lap or anything else, guys. You make good amount of money with, guys. It's also easiest way to make money, guys. I think it's the easiest way. I found this website, guys, for you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I hope you enjoy this video, guys. I hope you enjoy this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, comment, share with your friends, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. Happy to see you guys. See you in the next video. Make money online. I love you guys. Peace.